We are going to start with the slip knot. This is the first thing you do before you start any project with crochet. What you are going to do is going to take the tail end. This is the tail end because it's cut off, and then the rest of the yarn, because it's still attached to your skein, is called the working yarn. You're going to take the tail end and make a P, the letter P, or a backwards 9. You're going to take that loop and flip it over so it's on top of the working yarn like that. So now it looks like a number 9 with a line through the loop. Take your thumb and pointer finger or index finger and grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop. And now you have the letter A. Take both the end of the yarn and your working yarn and pull. And now you have made a slip knot. All you have to do next is take your crochet hook, put it through the loop, and cinch it up like that. Just tighten it up by pulling on the working yarn. And there is the beginner example of how to do a slip knot. Now let me show you how I do the slip knot, the way that I like to do it. First, you're going to take the tail end of the yarn and put it in between your middle finger and your thumb. You're going to wrap the working yarn around your index finger and your middle finger twice. 1, 2, and kind of park that working yarn in between the thumb and middle finger. Now you have 2 loops. Take your crochet hook, put it through the middle, grab the first loop that you made, pull it down and under the second loop. Then I kind of bring the hook up just a little bit, kind of making a little TP or a letter, and grabbing the second loop that you made and pulling that through, making the letter A, and pull through until you have a knot, and there you go. Show you again one more time. Grab the tail of the yarn between your thumb and middle finger. Wrap the yarn twice around your index finger and middle finger. Park it between your thumb and middle finger again. Take your hook, put it through the middle, grab the first loop, down and under, bring it up a little bit so it looks like a little, so it looks like a little A, letter A. Grab the second loop, pull it through, and just pull until you have a knot, and there you go. You are ready to go. Be sure to hit that subscription button. Until next time, happy crafting.